Hello everyone, the new year is coming soon. Today I'm going to share a delicious cold salad recipe with you. It's crisp, tasty, appetizing, and perfect for satisfying your cravings. It's even more popular at the table than meat dishes, and everyone who tries it will praise you as a master chef. Prepare a washed cucumber, cut off both ends, and then use a knife to smash the cucumber. Smashing it like this allows the cucumber to absorb the flavors better. Then cut the cucumber into pieces. After cutting, place the cucumber pieces in a large bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a few pieces of rehydrated dried bean curd sticks and cut them into sections. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare an appropriate amount of soaked wood ear mushrooms. Cut a few sprigs of cilantro into sections. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare a few cloves of garlic and smash them. Slice 4 small chili peppers into rings. Then chop them together with the garlic. After chopping, put them in a small bowl and set aside. Take 2 scallions and chop them into small pieces. After chopping, put them in a small bowl. Add a spoonful of chili powder, a spoonful of Sichuan pepper powder, and a spoonful of white sesame seeds. Then pour hot oil over them to bring out the aroma of the seasonings. Stir well with a spoon. Set aside for now. Bring water to a boil in advance, add the dried bean curd sticks and wood ear mushrooms to the pot. Boil for about 2 minutes. Cook the bean curd sticks and wood ear mushrooms until done, but don't cook them too long, or they won't be crisp. Alright, take them out. Then put them in cool boiled water to chill. After chilling, drain off the excess water. Add the chilled wood ear mushrooms and bean curd sticks to the cucumber. Pour in the sauce you prepared earlier. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt. Add a little sugar to enhance the flavor, and a spoonful of light soy sauce. A spoonful of aromatic vinegar. An appropriate amount of sesame oil. Then mix everything well by hand so the ingredients are evenly coated with the sauce. If you have them, add some roasted peanuts. Add some cilantro. Mix everything evenly by hand, and it's ready. Alright, plate it up. This smells so good, it's making my mouth water. This simple and delicious cold dish is done. It's nutritious, refreshing, helps cut the grease, stimulates the appetite, and goes great with rice. Make a plate of this during the holidays, and it's even better than meat dishes. If my video has been helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like and share it with others. Thank you all for your support.